There's nothing quite like a handmade gift. You know and feel that it's crafted with all kinds of care. Check out the plethora inside Daylilies at Gray House. The operation run by Ron and Christine Diamond also hosts a beautiful field of flowers out back.
Oh yeah, and any of the items you take home can quickly become heirlooms. Now, if any of this is to your liking, sounds like a trip to Laurel is in your future. DelmarvaLife's Katie Cirilli tells us more.
Bright, bold, and beautiful blooms. Ron and Christine Diamond planted this field of daylilies a few years ago, per the suggestion of some friends.
They said, why don't you all consider doing daylilies, because we have all this, we're on 2 acres.
And so they filled the field with flowers, a task that truly wasn't toilsome.
It's not a lengthy or complicated process, it's very easy.
One that's worth it for such a stunning sight.
They're very pretty. And they're low maintenance.
And in season, they're yours to take home and transplant. The Diamonds encourage anyone to buy some of this beauty.
We will just dig up a plant for them. Yeah, and because a daylily multiplies so quickly, some of those plants are probably 18 inches in width. There's probably close to 50 plants within that, 50 tubers within that plant.
A gift that keeps on giving. And hey, speaking of gifts, they've got those too in this brand new gift shop. Inside this shed-turned-store sit treasures of all types, many of the items handmade by Christine herself.
I've sewn since I was probably 9 or 10 years old. My mother taught me how. And so a lot of the things around, for instance, the angels back here, these are made from antique napkins and the wings are old quilts. Other items are sea items that I do a lot of that.
Everywhere you look, there's something that's eye-catching.
But people love the lanterns, and we have probably 10 different types. And so those are really, really nice. You can use them on a screen porch, you can use them in your house, by the hearth. You see a lot of people using them right by their front door.
Right now, much of the merch inside is a celebration of spring, but that'll change with the seasons.
There's these hydrangeas up here and down below on a pillow, so I can kind of highlight those, so they'll be able to notice those. Also, bees are very big, so I've got a really nice selection of bee items.
I gotta admit, my favorite items here in the gift shop are Christine's tulip bouquets. Look at all these different colors and patterns. The only thing is, it would be impossible to pick just one.
Plus, who doesn't love a flower that'll live forever?
They say, well, at least these won't die on me, so.
Whether it's a decorative sign, a sweet-smelling candle, or an antique you take home, Christine says each will add the same thing to your space.
Warmth, definitely. And even we have throws and we have pillows, so that really adds a lot of warmth to something. It's not just something stark. But any of the nautical things, people use them at their beach houses a lot.
She knows what she's saying. She's got a background in interior design. Combine that with her sewing skills, it's safe to say what you'll find here in Laurel you won't find anywhere else.
The gift shop itself it's unique to itself. It's like no other, not really. Absolutely. And that's pretty much because of Chris, because of her design background, her eye for color and design. Because not everybody can do that.
So whether it's the flowers you fancy or the gifts that grab your attention, a trip to Daylilies at Gray House is well worth your while.
Now, if you're headed to Daylilies at Gray House, you'll see the sign from the road. Follow the circular driveway to behind the house for the gift shop and flower field. They're open Thursday through Monday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sounds like a great thing to do this weekend.
It does. Great opportunity.